Come on, dude, right now. We want to see you get tased out here, not inside.
Yeah.
This guy's counting.
Not for actually fucking telling him something.
Yeah, that dog is.
There it goes.
Here it comes. All right, here we go. Let's get it. Get your cameras out, man. If I can own this. They're going to drop them right here.
Film it.
Come on, don't put your gun. Point this way.
I know. Oh, right in his face.
Oh, right on the face.
He's all fucked up. Oh. Damn.
You film it?
No,
Whoa.
they murked that motherfucker.
Fuck!
Dude. He shot him so many times.
Fuck! He's dead? Why the fuck?
He's still fighting him.
Damn.
They shoot him 5, 6 times. Fuck, the bullet's gonna come this way, you know? He's still fighting, huh?
He's probably dead.
He fucking got body shot.
He's dead, for sure. Yeah, he's gotta be dead.
Got bobbles in his fucking backpack.
No fucking.
He went to go swing that.
Oh,
Yeah,
somebody.
they're coming. He's still moving now.
Yeah, he's
been fucking doing something else, or they can fucking shoot him. They could have fucking
Yeah.
hit a baton or some shit.
Yeah.
That was fucking unnecessary. And 6 times in the fucking chest, dude, point blank.
That taser straight up didn't do shit to him, dog.
Fucking filthy kid, dude.
¿Estás desmayado o qué? Sí, vas a payaso. Vale verga,
Yeah,
¿no?
that's the fucking guy that killed him. Fucking Jack.
¿Qué traes, güey?
Yeah, he's the first timer.
So keep it together, man.
Yeah, because he was scared as shit with him, dude.
Fucking dead.
Well, that fool was about to swing that shit to him.
He got a peace sign up on his hands? Look at his fingers. Peace sign.
Yeah, he fucking did it on Facebook, dude. He's dead. He's not breathing. He's dead.
Still recording that shit?
Yep.
YouTube moment?
Definitely on.
Probably just twitching now.
Well, don't make it with those 5 or 6 shots.
He's not gonna make it with all those bullet shots in there. It was unnecessary to shoot him that many times.
No.
Yeah, they kinda like dropped him in the leg. They could have fucking did something else.
Where's that guy running across the street? Is that the guy that was looking?
No.
Damn. That fool got fucking fucked up. He went to go swing at that motherfucker.
If he would have got that swing through, he would have knocked that fool out, though.
Oh, hell yeah.
Trying to get out.
Someone that walked in.
Trying to get a free He's still moving.
10 minutes.
Right.
Huh.
I don't even know if they'll let us on the street.
We better start moving. Hell no, let's chill here.
Yeah.
Shit. They already closed that side and that side
Get
of
an
the road.
ambulance, fuckers.
Shit, get me out of here before I fucking go crazy.
Get an ambulance for the kid.
Yeah, we shot him 6 times and they're just standing there.
Call the paramedic.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Really, no one got that shit on camera?
I got it. That's it.